Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between market economy and command economy. Both are important economic systems used to organize production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Understanding their differences helps us learn how different countries manage resources, businesses, prices, and economic growth. Let's begin. Number 1. In a market economy, resources are owned by private individuals and businesses, whereas in a command economy, resources are owned and controlled by the government. Number 2. In a market economy, economic decisions are made by individuals and businesses based on self-interest, whereas in a command economy, decisions are made by central government authorities. Number 3. In a market economy, prices are determined by supply and demand in the marketplace, whereas in a command economy, prices are set and controlled by the government. Number 4. In a market economy, consumers influence what goods and services are produced through their purchasing choices, whereas in a command economy, the government decides what goods and services should be produced. Number 5. In a market economy, producers decide how goods and services are produced, whereas in a command economy, production methods are determined by government planning. Number 6. In a market economy, profit serves as the main incentive for production and innovation, whereas in a command economy, people are generally motivated by salaries, quotas, or government objectives. Number 7. In a market economy, there is a high level of competition among private firms, whereas in a command economy, competition is limited because the government often holds a monopoly. Number 8. In a market economy, consumers enjoy a wide range of choices. On the other hand, consumers in a command economy often face limited choices based on government plans. Number 9. In a market economy, innovation is encouraged through competition and profit incentives, whereas in a command economy, innovation is often slower due to fewer competitive pressures. Number 10. In a market economy, resources are allocated efficiently through market mechanisms, whereas in a command economy, resources are allocated through central planning. Number 11. In a market economy, businesses can quickly respond to changing consumer demands, whereas in a command economy, adjustments are usually slower because government approval is often required. Number 12. In a market economy, income and wealth inequality are more common, whereas in a command economy, policies often aim to achieve greater income equality. Number 13. In a market economy, long-term economic growth is generally higher because of innovation and efficiency, whereas in a command economy, growth may be slower due to inefficiencies and reduced incentives. Number 14. In a market economy, government intervention is usually limited, whereas in a command economy, the government controls and plans most economic activities. Number 15. Examples of market economies include the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and Japan, whereas examples of command economies include North Korea and the former Soviet Union. To summarize, a market economy emphasizes freedom, competition, private ownership, and consumer choice. On the other hand, a command economy emphasizes government control, central planning, and economic equality. While both systems have advantages and disadvantages, many modern countries use a mixed economy that combines elements of both approaches. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.